I bought this Chefman mini fridge September 2022. Today it's December 2023. It hasn't really been working for a while, but I just did this video because I'm looking to buy another one, and it never kept the milk that I kept in here cold, and after it would spoil after 3 days, and now it's doing this wonky thing that's been doing, it did that this summer, so before the year was out, and then I just kept on kind of playing with it, and then it stayed on. I'm like, oh yeah, great, but it's like behind, this area, and so I just realized it wasn't working again. And the plug is fine, and I don't have any pets or kids that are playing with it, so anyway, this guy will probably last a year, so if that works for you. And I would always have it plugged in, so maybe it's not meant to be always used. Who knows? All right, bye.
Okay, unplugging this, and plugging this clock in to show that this outlet works.